Have you ever accidentally transferred money to the wrong account and worried it's gone forever? Or if random money suddenly enters your account, could you face jail time for spending it? Hello, I'm Barrister Garn from Siam Center Law Group. Today, I'll clearly explain the legal steps to recover wrong bank transfer funds and the serious consequences involved. Have you ever experienced a wrong bank transfer in Thailand? Let us know in the comments below. If you transferred money by mistake, immediately contact your bank with the transaction receipt. Your bank will coordinate with the recipient's bank, but they cannot deduct funds without consent. If the recipient refuses to return the money, file a police report right away. On the other hand, if you receive wrong transfer funds into your account and spend or refuse to return them despite knowing the mistake, you can be charged with criminal embezzlement in Thailand. Always contact your bank immediately to resolve the issue legally. If you need expert legal assistance, you can contact us through the Siam Center Law Group website via the link provided in the description below. Alternatively, if you would like to speak with us directly, you can schedule a consultation with our team by clicking the meeting appointment link in the description. Thank you for watching.